Here's all you'll need for a delicious corned beef hash, or stew if you prefer. The staples, obviously corned beef. I'm going to use some new potatoes, leave the skin on. Skin the normal potatoes and an onion. Then you can add really any veg you want, but I'll be going with mushrooms, carrots, some celery, some parsley. You could use spinach if you like. And a beef stock cube. Last but not least is a few drops of Henderson's relish. If you're not lucky enough to have access to Henderson's relish, you'll have to make do with Worcestershire sauce. So get your new potatoes washed and scrubbed, and your normal potatoes peeled, and it's into a pan. Give them a good rinse in warm water to get a lot of the starch out, and then you're going to put them on a gentle simmer. Only for about 5 minutes though, because we've cut them all into little cubes. With your potatoes simmering away, time to put a bit of oil into your pan, and then it's in with all your chopped up veg. Then we're going to give those about 5 minutes. Let them loosen all the flavours. When all your veg have softened down a bit, time to go in with some seasoning, some salt, black pepper, and then with your corned beef that you've chopped up. Stir that now so that it warms through. It's already cooked, so you don't need to do it for that long. Then it's in with your partially boiled potatoes. And then last but not least, you're going in with about 400 millilitres of your beef stock. And what you're going to do is let that simmer away until most of the stock's disappeared. But what that does, it lets the flavours infuse into each other. So every mouthful you get got some flavour in it. Oh, and I nearly forgot a few drops of your relish. Mix that in, and then turn that down low and let it simmer away till, like I say, most of the liquid's gone. Once it's reduced down a bit, it's ready to eat. You don't want to reduce it too much, you still want it to be quite juicy. But it's lovely with some freshly baked bread.